How to release the stress? Now that you all have started thinking positive and started commanding positive affirmations, let us understand how to reduce the stress. Let me tell you truth. It may be bitter, but it's true. Everyone have the problems in their life, but we convert that problem into positive vibes. Everyone can do that. Do it. Practice it. Every day do this. Stress always convert into a big problems like illness, mental health issues, physical weakness. Your primary responsibility is to make yourself happy. Fulfill that responsibility first. Everyone is playing a role in life. Understand that. Everyone is playing a role in life. Anyone do it correct or wrong, you don't get affected. You do your role perfectly. Our role is to make our life happy and make environment happy. These are two major roles we should play with all our heart. Live like tomorrow will never come. Live in the moment. Enjoy like festival. First of all, don't think what will happen tomorrow. No one knows what will happen tomorrow, but what is happening tomorrow today is in our hand. Then, whatever thoughts are affecting your mental health, forget it. Let it go. Learn to forget. Don't remember everything. Our biggest enemy is our mind. Don't ever let mind overtake your peace. Forget bad things, bad experiences. Sometimes be careless. Careless towards a problem. You will feel half of your burden is vanished. Never expect anything from anyone. Not even from your parents, your spouse, your son, anyone. Never think that situation will be as you wish. When you can't control that, then why to worry? In fact, think about how to be happy in all the situations. Don't think what people will think about you. If that also will be think by you, what people will think? If you feel anyone is having wrong perception about you, go and talk them. But don't be afraid or shy. Don't make negative impact on anyone. Don't take negative perspective of anyone. Always talk. Talking will solve half of your problems. Don't blame yourself for everything. Especially ladies. Ladies should understand this. Don't think that I am the only responsible person for everything. I am the only one who is doing everything. Clear your mind. Before you also everything was happening, and even after you also everything will happen. As I said, we all are playing roles. Today it's your duty, tomorrow maybe someone else. Never stick to grudges. This will also affect you and only you. Unnecessary thoughts will destroy only your inner peace. So, love yourself and free yourself from all the unwanted negative energies. Welcome all the positive vibes to you. Take a deep breath and feel the positive vibes.